Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Sumobito in Loomian Legacy. To obtain Sumobito, you must evolve its pre-evolution, Weavolt. This is the only way to add Sumobito to your collection. You cannot find Sumobito directly in the wild, so focusing on Weavolt is key. Prepare to train your Weavolt diligently to meet the evolution requirements. Weavolt, Sumobito's pre-evolution, is readily available in the Gale Forest. You'll find it wandering through the trees and grassy areas there. Its encounter rate is quite common, so you shouldn't have too much trouble locating one. Just explore the forest thoroughly, and you'll soon encounter a Weavolt ready for capture. Catching a few might be wise for good stats. To evolve your Weavolt into Sumobito, it needs to reach level 22. This evolution is straightforward, requiring no special items or unique conditions. Just focus on gaining experience points through battles with other Loomians. Consistent training will quickly get your Weavolt to the necessary level, transforming it into the powerful Sumobito you desire. Sumobito is a formidable electric and brawler-type Loomian, known for its impressive melee attack and defense stats. It can be a valuable asset to your team, especially against certain types of opponents. Its unique typing gives it an edge in many battles, making it a strong choice for your roster. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. This powerful Loomian will certainly enhance your gameplay.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.